Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best dash cam reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual 1080p dash cam. There are a couple of reasons why we picked this cam as the best model for rideshare drivers to pick up. First and foremost, it's within a justifiable price range for anyone who's starting out. This model captures video in 1080p and has 2 recording channels to work with. Obviously, recording the front end is a primary concern, but recording inside the vehicle offers an extra level of security to drivers. It's also set to automatically begin recording whenever motion is detected and when the ignition is turned on, keeping you covered at virtually all times. Unfortunately, quality control is a concern, and you need to inspect it thoroughly to ensure it's not defective upon arrival. Also, a few complaints surrounding issues with video looping warrant keeping a close eye on this in the initial stages to ensure it's working correctly. 24 hours motion-activated parking mode makes the dual-car camera automatically record when it detects motion. Auto start and record when the ignition sparks up. Auto LCD off timer ensures you won't be disturbed by another glowing rectangle on your windshield. Excellent audio recording with a built-in microphone. Time-lapse function automatically takes photos at specified intervals. Number 2. Our second best pick is Wolfbox 12-inch mirror dash cam. We're wrapping up our list with what is clearly one of the most discreet solutions when it comes to dash cams. This mirror dash cam is designed to replace your rearview mirror and act as a dash cam. In other words, you never have to worry about it serving as a distraction or ruining the vibes of a clean interior. That's not all, though. This dual-channel dash cam can also serve as a backup camera. Still not floored? What if we told you that it also has a GPS function to help you navigate and that Wolfbox also throws in a free 32GB SD card? Make no mistake, this thing does way more than you might expect it to. Of course, seeing as this replaces the existing rearview mirror, installation is slightly more complicated than usual. That, paired with the not-so-user-friendly setup and lack of MPH readings, makes it a no-go for some consumers. With a built-in high-quality chip, this mirror camera records front and rear with a high resolution of Full HD 1080p. When the front camera records only, it can up to 1296p. The car camera applied an upgraded low reflectivity LCD to reduce reflection during the day. A 6-layer glass lens enhances night vision in a dark environment. License plates and other small wordings can be displayed clearly. Number 3. Our third best pick is Nexar Beam GPS dash cam. Here we have a solid option for those who want a little more quality for their money. The Beam certainly isn't revolutionary, but it's a great way to get a dependable dash cam in your car without spending a small fortune. Our testing of this unit shows that it's quite capable for something of its size and price range. Its video quality is far better than what you see from many cheaper options, and vibrations pose no threat to its stability. It's also extremely easy to set up and install in your vehicle, as it took us no more than 15 minutes to get up and running. Also, we'll tip our hats to the app's easy-to-use nature that allows you to quickly review and manage video files. Is it ideal? No, as the clumsy power line running to the 12-volt port of our vehicle is rather unsightly. Also, the lack of a screen makes it hard to angle just right and leaves you second-guessing whether it's recording. This dashboard camera seamlessly streams live footage to your phone every time you drive, so video evidence is always just a tap away if you need it. The Nexar app works in the background, so you can use other apps, like navigation, while driving. To avoid battery drain, consider plugging in your phone while driving. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is iiwey 3-channel 1080p dash cam. Not everyone has a few $100s to spend on a dash cam. We get that. But who's to say beggars can't be choosers? Take this dash cam bundle for example. It sits at an affordable price for most people but offers total coverage of the vehicle with 3 channels to work with. You can count on this package to record the front and rear ends as well as the interior. We should point out that the main dash cam sits on a swivel, making it easy to adjust as well. That kind of protection is exactly what you need when things go wrong. On top of that, loop recording and the cameras automatically turning on when the G-sensors detect an impact means you'll always have video evidence. It's not a budget option if there's no compromise. As a battery-dependent model, you do need to make sure it's charged before you get moving, and a short battery life plagues this model. Not only that, but there are complaints surrounding poor fit of the included charger in a vehicle's 12-volt ports. This one included a 32GB SD card and you needn't buy a SD card separately. The dash cam can be used directly. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dash Cam. We think this dash cam is a really tough option to beat if you need a high-resolution dash cam that can record the front and rear of the vehicle. Its advertised 4K resolution paired with the wide 150-degree viewing angle puts it far beyond most in its price range. Speaking of which, this happens to be one of the more affordable options out there. Another killer set of details that work in this model's favor are the touch screen and compatible app, and those factors combined make it extremely easy to set up properly and manage video recordings. Unfortunately, marketing does mislead you a tad here, as some reviewers point out that it's not actually a 4K model. It's 4K for the front camera, but only 1080 for the rear. Even if it is able to record clearly, that's a detail to be aware of. Also, it does seem that SD formatting issues are somewhat common. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.